Hello and welcome to this tutorial on creating dependent drop-down menus in Excel. Today, we'll learn how to create a drop-down menu that depends on the selection of another drop-down menu, making data entry more efficient and organized. Let's get started. In this example, we have categories for fruit, vegetables, meat, and dairy and their respective items. We'll set up dependent drop-down menus based on these categories. First, create the first drop-down menu. Select the cell where you want the first drop-down menu, which is A7. Go to the Data tab, click Data Validation, and choose List from the Allow drop-down menu. Click in the source box and select the cells that contain fruit, vegetables, meat, and dairy. Click OK. The first menu is created. You can see a down arrow on cell A7 on the right. When you click it, it shows the list we selected in the source box. Next, we need to select items under each category one by one and assign them names. First, select the range for fruit, which is A2 to A5. Go to the name box and name it fruit. Repeat this process for the other categories, naming them vegetables, meat, and dairy. Note that the items' range names should match exactly with their respective category names. For example, the cell range that represents fruit items should be named fruit, as items heading is fruit. Why do we do this? Because we use the indirect function to create the dependent menu. The indirect function takes a text string and converts it to a cell reference. So, when we use fruit in indirect, it immediately returns the named reference of fruit, which are actually the items of fruit. We'll use this feature to create a dependent drop-down menu. Now, to create the second menu, select the cell where you want it and go to the Data tab, click Data Validation, and choose List from the Allow drop-down menu. In the source box, enter A7 in indirect. Click OK. Now, let's test our drop-down menus. When you select a category in the first drop-down menu, the second drop-down menu will update to show only the items related to that category. For example, selecting fruit will show options like apple, banana, and cherry in the second drop-down. And that's how you create dependent drop-down menus in Excel. This method can help you keep your data organized and streamline your data entry process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.